Some new garden toys to play with here. Some more metal raised garden beds. Looking nice, yes you are. Got these off of Amazon too. Getting ready to frame around this garden bag here. It looks like it's been around a long time. It needs some support around it. I'm gonna put the metal raised garden bed around it. Then this other one that I had got extra from the 2 packs that I had got that I only needed 3 of at the time. So I'm gonna place it in this area here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna plant in it, but I'm gonna get the soil ready and get busy planting some more and growing some more fall vegetables for my family. Look at mine. This supposed to be lettuce, but I got lettuce and I got mustard greens growing in here. Okay. Looking great, looking great. Okay. Garden bed, getting ready to get some more support around here. Look at my peppers still growing. Okay, peppers. Okay. Look at that big juicy one there. Okay, I see ya. I still have the morning dew on. I'm out here early this morning. Sun hadn't even come up yet. I still see the moon, but still out. Now I'm turn around, I don't see it. Shishito peppers, I see it. Look at this. Okay. See it. Okay. Early morning walk around. Okay, cabbage. Come on. Look at y'all still got that morning dew on you. God's morning dew. Watering y'all early in the morning. Okay, have a better look over here now. This metal raised bed makes this area looks real nice. Fabric cloth planter in the middle here with the dirt. I can be able to add more dirt around here with this frame. Looks nice. Okay, got me another garden bed to grow in. This metal raised garden bed looks nice. Put some weed barrier down, and I'm gonna top this, fill this up with soil and start to grow. Don't know yet what I'm gonna put over here. It's gonna probably be some more brassicas, some onions, and some carrots probably. Okay, looks nice. This is normally where my little flower bed comes out in the spring. So hopefully I can grow some more zinnias over in this garden bed as well. Yes, Big Mama's garden is looking nicer with more metal raised beds around in the area. Looks nice. Okay. Yes. Okay. Got me another area to grow in. Get here and fill up some more soil in this raised bed here. And put me some pebble rocks around to cover up that weed barrier fabric. It's gonna look nice over here. Yes. More to grow in Big Mama's garden.